we are ready to get crack-a-lackin' over here. I have a different angle on the camera. I have a different angle on the light ring. You guys, please let me know in the comments below if this is better, worse, the same, whatever. I'm still struggling with the whole lighting situation. It's just going to be an ongoing thing. For those of you that have my bath bomb recipe, I did post this in the Discord for everybody. I'll let you know what the ingredients are here. So obviously I've got the baking soda. I use 3 different powdered surfactants. If you guys have watched my channel for any length of time, you know that I always work in trifectas, synergistically. That's just how I've always done it. So as Mr. Soap Chef would say, that's how you've always done it, that's how you're always gonna do it. Okay. Okay, calm down, sir. All right, so anyways, we have SLSA, SCI, SCS, cream of tartar, kaolin, cocoa butter, shea butter, Polysorbate 80, my bomb spray, which is 70% witch hazel and 30% rubbing alcohol, and then my fragrance. Okay, the citric acid we add last. So how I mix everything is I put all of my surfactants, my powdered surfactants, down in there first, followed by the kaolin and the cream of tartar, and then I dump all of the baking soda on the top. So all that heavy baking soda sitting on the top minimizes the amount of dust and powder, as opposed to doing it the other way around and having your powder sitting on the top. You're going to get a lot more of that airborne. And so that's how I choose to do it. Put those down first, put all your other ingredients on the top and mix, and it will minimize, to a certain degree anyhow, the amount of airborne particles. Please always wear your mask. And then your citric acid, you add that last. To get this vibrant orange color, I used 2 teaspoons of number 6 Lake and 1 teaspoon of red 27 Lake, and that gave me this nice vibrant orange color. So let's just get to it, okay? We're just gonna go right ahead here. Now, I've never used any of these molds. We just printed all of these off. This is my first time using most of them, with the exception of the last 2. I have used those before, and we'll get to that in subsequent videos. But this is our little angel for our Christmas. All right, so we've got our top plunger, which is thick, and our shell, and then we have a bottom plate. Put your bottom plate on the bottom, obviously, and then you just encapsulate that with your shell, and then start filling. Give a little bit of a shake. Now I am going to give a couple little presses where I think there may be some stress points. Shouldn't really be all too bad, but I'm going to go ahead and do that anyway. So what I do is I build that part up just a little bit, and then I take my finger and give a little push. Right in those corners where I think those might be stress points, might be prone to breaking. Just give us a small little push with your finger. Fill it all the way up to the top. Give it your shakes. Take your plunger. Is this glaring too much, the light ring, you guys? It looks like it's glaring too much. I'll try to fix it. Okay, plunger upside down, stick it on top of your mold. And now we're going to give some pushes and turn it as you're pushing, just to ensure a nice even molding all the way around. All right, give some taps around the outside shell. Taps on the top plunger. Turn it over, taps on the bottom plate. All right, now we're just going to push up with our plunger all the way up. You're going to put your fingers underneath and push up. Okay, we're going to just lift straight up and off with our bottom plate. Grab your cardboard, turn it over, straight up and off with our plunger. There's our beautiful Christmas angel. You can paint this however you'd like. That's cute. I like that one. That's really cute. brand new. Just put that up on the site this morning. So I'm going to do each individual mold in its own individual video so that it will be easier to find. So if you would like to purchase this or any of the other molds that we offer, you can find those up on soap-chef.com.